What's up, guys? Today I'm just gonna do a video on walking my fence. Don't blame me if you don't want to watch it. Probably gonna be boring. There's a trapping video going up tomorrow. I don't even think the fence is on. Yeah. We're gonna start walking. Cows are there and there. Sorry, the lighting's bad. Finally got me a tripod stand. I got it today. It won't be in the first like 7 minutes of tomorrow's video. Dude, because I just got it and I done 7 minutes of that video today. And yeah, this video for sure will be going up 22nd of first month of the year. I'm gonna get to the end when I'm like all the way over there, halfway to the cows. Guys, go to the cows. There's one. There's a cows. Just walking here. If you ain't already subbed, go sub. I wanna catch up with my buddy. He's at like 114 subscribers, which he's been doing a lot longer than me. Hey, girl. Try to get as close as I can. Hey, girl. Hi. Oh, you mean? I'll go on with my day, I guess. Hi, buddy. How you doing? Ooh. You're mean. There's 2 calves over here. I'll show you the set black and white face cow. There's a calf right next to it. That white cow over there, there's a calf to it. Black one there and a calf. So there's 7 cows. I'm gonna zoom in from here because I don't know how she's gonna act. Let's go to the other one. Hey, you just keep your distance. How about you just stay out there? I'll stay over here. Deal? Deal. I came home from my cousin's yesterday, and was pulling in the driveway and found that one. My stepdad moved some cows. I'm not gonna mess with her because she kind of has horns. If you can't see them, yeah. And there's that one. Yeah, I'd hate to get ran over by one of them. Hi. Have a great day, I guess. You're mean. Cows hate me. I feel the same about them. Yeah, I'm wearing shorts again. I'm wearing boots this time because I was wearing slides. It's the easiest thing to put on. And I will start walking through the yard. You know what? It's gotten warm. There's still ice on the ground. And it was wet, so my feet started slipping. I was like, you know what? I'll go grab my boots. And I did. Big shout out to the gamer is here and Peyton Helton. Go get my good buddy Peyton Helton. The gamer is here. The gamer's here. He's the one that got more subs. Peyton Helton. He's got 7 or 8. Daggum. Look close, fam. Well, I'm gonna have to take care of that. Now I know what's happening. I've been meaning to walk the field. I was sitting in bed watching this YouTuber, like listening to how to get more subs, and he said do a live stream. Well, I can't do a live stream unless I'm on a weekend, because it's a little more privacy. Well, I was like, oh, you know what? I done a video today, which will be uploaded tomorrow with another video and check and trail camera. Why not upload one today? Ah, crap. Might have to go get something, chop this down, bring it with me. Yeah, there's my neighbors over. There you go. Get the Bobcat sometime and bring it and get this. There's one. Sorry if this is boring, but it's likely to form it. Yeah, that one ain't coming. We got one out. Finished walking up there. Can't promise my neighbor will look at me like, oh, hey, stupid, why is he talking to his phone? I mean, he's not on a phone with anybody, so what's the point? Exactly, talking to a couple of people, or what people subscribed to. Our pond recently got dug out, got bigger. Be bad if my phone fell off this tripod. I'd cry. Oh. I just fell. What the heck? You know what? Let's go home. Go home. I just got out of the shower too. I'm freaking stupid. Oh, there's a big rock. Huh. Well, that sucks. Thanks for telling me that there's something there. Fuck. That hurt. Duck. Hey, crap, that fell again. You know what? Let's get out of this place. Got my brand spanking new tripod dirty and everything. Earthers don't like me. Wow. Let's go home. Just took one step and feels like I just broke my hip. And I decided to walk on gravel. You know what? Look at that. I just got out of the shower. My wife's a coward. brand new tripods are muddy. What the heck? Life sucks. Yes, they always say life isn't fair. Huh? That's home. Oh, that kind of hurt. I'm probably complaining too much. But still, I think I pulled something on my head. Old trailer. Let's not walk over there. I'll show you that in another video. I guess do barn tour. I guess trailer, cows. We got 2 tractors here. One runs, another doesn't. Bobcat. Old rake. That neighbor over there was going down the road and it broke. Yeah, today sucks. Like it goes well for a couple hours. And then after that, it sucks. Old tree stand, trailer. Stepdad's worker, which is my cousin. Our old trailer, kinda new. A tractor in here. I'll show you. Would start it, but I've never started this tractor. International. From what I can remember, it was built out of junk stuff, and we had it worked on for about 1 to 2 years. It was getting worked on. Finally got it back 2018. Where we got our deer, old chainsaw, stuff like that. Old foil and ours. Another Kubota, not another, but a Kubota, cat, roller. There's a planter back here, electric box, some stuff up there. Nice Bobcat. Story time. I've only had that Bobcat stuck once, and I was told to go get it. It was a walking distance down the road, and it was muddy. I thought I couldn't come out. There's another trailer, and so I started to go down the ditch because it got leveled up where I could come out. Well, I made a big mistake. I got stuck. Luckily, I had a spear. Grapples. I'm already sliding. Fours. Ours van. Pile. Wood, another roller. Racks goes on that air trailer. Woods. Yeah. I'll get to you in some. Actually, up at the other stuff. Okay, we're up at the stuff. Got my truck on the left, my brother's truck, mom's car, lot plant, neighbors, Bobcat trailer for that Bobcat, a black trailer, hay mower, axle, tire, bed liner for 1994 Ranger. Old black trailer, old tractor, old barn, old car, hay mower, rake, hay mower, box, stuff for like a trailer, like a, what's it called? Wood pile. Been there about almost 3-4 years. Brother's truck, it's pretty good, muddy and all that. I done some of view in the video I'm doing tomorrow. Pop the hood on this sucker here. This is a 1997. It's not been started. 1997 F-150. Needs a starter, some other stuff. Got any? Hit me up in the comment section, cause I'd like to get this running sometime. Yeah. She's a beast. Runs perfect. Pretty much almost everything's stock. Except for, except for some of the stuff on it, because it went bad. Yeah. I'll show you inside. Say F-150. It's all messy. Just sits here. Nice. I like it. It's a good beginner truck. Ford. It's black. It actually sit right over there. And I got started one day. I told my mom, I said, "Mom, if I get this started, I'm moving it." She said, "Okay." I moved it with a flat tire. My brother has, I can't remember what year it is. A little bit newer than mine, I think. It's F-150. It has a ball toolbox course, lucky. Yeah. I think that's where I'm gonna end it. Go subscribe to my buddies. Sub to me if you ain't already subbed. Hit the like button, of course. And sorry, I can't think of anything. Well, I guess I'm gonna end it off here. And I'll talk to you guys on the flip side. Peace.